What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's the day of my group build. This is the start date of the 2023 Pro Street group build that runs through the rest of the year till January 1st. So if you want more about the rules, check out my last video about my group build. I'll link in the description or in the corner right here in the corner. Check that video if you want to learn about the rules. They're simplified. I'll go through them just for a sec. It has to be a vehicle that is or was street legal, and it has to have a tubbed chassis with fat tires. And the third rule, just have fun and take it your own way. That's it. That's really the rules. But if you want more in depth, just check out that video. But this video is about my entry video. Yes, I am going to enter in my own group build this year. Last year I didn't get a chance to do so, but this year I want to. So what am I going to be doing for my own group build? Well, we're going to be doing something different. Let's do this. Okay, so before you start wondering, like, wow, you're going to be doing a Fast and Furious Pro Street? Not exactly. If you know this kit, if you ever built this kit, or even have it in your stash and open it, you may know for a fact this kit is far from being a true Fast and Furious Dodge Charger. Revell took it the easy way out. They basically took the 1970 Dodge Charger they already had, and they just basically kind of reskinned it, kind of in a bad way. Oh no, Revell kind of took the easy way out, like I said. From far back, yeah, it does kind of look like his car, but if you really look at it, it's really not. Revell, they got the interior all wrong. The body panels are wrong. This is actually the wrong year Dodge Charger by a fact, because this is actually just 70 Dodge Charger, and Don's Dodge Charger was not an 1970. I'll tell you that much. But I don't know, Revell just took the easy way out. So I'm obviously not gonna be doing this kit as a Fast and Furious Dodge Charger. It's just not my thing, and it's kind of embarrassing. If you take it to the shows, people are like, "Whoa, Fast and Furious Dodge Charger." People look at it like, "Wait a minute, that's not right," you know. So that's why we're doing this kit. So because from this kit, it has a partially stripped interior, which the real car actually has a fully stripped interior. I say partially because this kit already has a partially. Don's Dodge Charger from the movie has a fully stripped interior. This kit already has, Revell did not remove the door panels. They still have the stock door panels. The dashboard is still stock. But Revell took another easy way out, like I said. They just use a decal for the gauge clusters. Yeah, I don't know. Revell, they took the easy way out, and the engine is sort of correct, but not really. And the interior is all wrong, and also the body, yeah, that dash is not right. So that's why we're doing this kit. So no, I'm not gonna be doing it as a Fast and Furious. I'm gonna be doing it as a normal Dodge Charger. 70 Dodge Charger, that is, and turn it into a Pro Street. And now I'm not going to do it black. I'm not going to do it black or any of that. So, but let's show you what I have planned for it so far. So far, I say so far because I don't have everything planned up for it, but this is what I have. So obviously, we're going to be using one of my tubbed chassis with the 4-link suspension. So we got that going for it. So we got that. The engine, yes, this kit does already have a blown engine, but let's do bigger. I think we can do bigger, and go big or go home. So I have found one of the guys on Instagram makes a bunch of Pro Street parts on Codes 3D, and I love his engines. So this is his Hemi blown engine. He does have a big block, that's what this is, or a small block. I printed both of them just for the heck of it, and we're doing a big block. So big block right here, and look at the size of that supercharger. I mean, damn, this thing is no joke. This is a big supercharger. So a little comparison to that to the engine. So here's the engine. So this is a big block Hemi, and compared to the supercharger. Oh yeah, this is gonna get some real speed. So I talked to Fred, and Fred said, "Oh hell yeah, Dylan." And even Fred said it. Fred said, "Go big or go home," and you know why not? So we got that going, and the detail in this is amazing. So, and also it also has this type of blower, or bug catcher, you want to call it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cool. And this goes on top like so. Oh yeah. This is gonna be pretty cool. This is gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, we're putting in a blown Hemi. That's what this is. I do want to do a Hemi. He does have like V8 engines and, you know, normal V8s. He has Ford, Chevy, but for this being a Dodge, it has to have a Hemi. It's not, to me, it's not a Dodge without the Hemi. So that's why we're doing a blown Hemi. And for wheels or tires, I do have these. And I am going to be doing this one as a non-street legal version because I'm going to be using the slicks. So I might, in the future, stay tuned to the channel because I might make a trailer for it and have a Dodge truck pulling it. I think it'd be pretty cool. But so far, I'm going to have this one not on a street. I want it to be like a fun, you know, weekend drag car to tone it onto a trailer and take it to a drag strip for the fun weekend day. You know, so, and slicks, they give you that ultimate traction, you know, when you kick off, start. I mean, slicks are, you know, slicks are way better than treaded, but you have to have treaded if you're doing, you know, basically a street legal vehicle still. But this one, I'm not doing street legal, or unless, you know, he took the treaded tires off and put on these tires instead, because, you know, they're more stickier. And about wheels, well, check these out. A buddy of mine makes post-street wheels, and I asked him if I could use some. I got, you know, and he said absolutely, so he gave me a file. And these are USA, I'm not sure you can see a name on there. USA, it's kind of dark. Weld USA. And these wheels are absolutely insane. So you got the wheels, and you also have the lug nuts with brake on the back. So those slide into those holes, and I can paint the lug nuts like aluminum or whatever color I desire. And this is what they look like. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this would be so freaking cool. And I do have the front wheels. I didn't print them up yet because I did not open this kit, and I might just use the tires that come in this kit for the fronts. So I do have to measure those wheels to, you know, get these correct so these wheels can fit in the stock kit tires. But yeah, that's what we're going with, the wheels and tire combo. I mean, jeez, I'll put the picture on your screen of the real wheels, and they look absolutely incredible. They're like a brushed aluminum, or there's not really one, but there was some kind of metal, and they're painted beautifully. I mean, they're amazing. And I'm gonna put in different seats, bucket seats, and this kit already has a partially roll cage, so that works out perfect for me. So, but yeah, we're doing the 1970 Dodge Charger, not a Fast and Furious version, because this kit is far from being a true Fast and Furious Dodge Charger. We're just doing this basically a stock Dodge Charger that got turned into a Pro Street. So, but that's my entry, guys. So this should be fun. And I got until January 1st. You all have to until January 1st, so you don't have to start this group build right away. So take your time, go slow, and it should be a fun group build. 6 annual, so it'll get cool. And yeah, this is gonna be a pretty good build for me. My first true Pro Street. But alright guys, that's it. And do your entry videos if you have a kit picked out. I can't wait to see what you all build. But alright guys, until my next video, have fun, and I'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy.